This 2-bedroom apartment for sale is located in the most popular community for real estate in Tulum. Just minutes from the growing commercial area, a spacious apartment that is priced to sell quickly. Encanto is located in Aldea Zama, just a short drive or bike ride from some of Tulum's best beaches and beach clubs. Its convenient access to the commercial areas make it the perfect place for those looking to enjoy the area's cafes, boutiques, and delicious restaurants. This condo has a modern design, 2 large bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, a laundry area, and all of the furniture and equipment needed to start using your new home immediately. Located on the 2nd floor, the open living spaces and kitchen are filled with excellent natural light. The terrace connects to the interior space, creating a large, private outdoor area for you to enjoy. The common area of Encanto is surrounded by lush tropical vegetation, keeping it cool even on the hottest days. There is a pool with a bridge that connects the 2 towers of the condominium, an exclusive building with just 12 units in total. If you're looking for investment and a private and quiet place, this is the perfect space for you.